Hi guys, my name is Rehan and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create. So let's see the demo which we are going to cover in this video. So this is the website which has logo at the left hand side and menus at the right hand side with contact number. Let me show you the home page, and at the last we have footer and copyright of the website. Then we can see about us page, then services page, you can show your portfolios, then contact page. If you like this website and you want to make your own site, you don't need to pay anything, it's absolutely free. Let me show you how. So guys, click on below link of the video and you will be redirected to SiteGround, which is the best domain and hosting providing company in my opinion. Just click on get started and here you will find three types of plan: the startup plan, grow big plan and go gig. If you are making your first website, you can choose this plan, but I would like to recommend click on this because there is a hardly difference between this and this, and the features of this plan is amazing. You can create unlimited websites. Say for example, today you are going to create your own company, but in future or after 1 month or after 6 months you can create other companies for your friends, for your family members, because there is a hardly difference of, so that's the reason. And there are more features in this. You are getting 20 GB web space, 25,000 visits monthly, unmetered traffic, free WordPress installation, free WordPress auto updates, and you are getting SSL certificate which is free. This we call SSL certificate. Your site is going to be secure so nobody can hack it, and daily backup, free CDN, free email, CLI and SSH, unlimited databases, and 100% renewable energy match. Also you are getting dynamic caching, on demand backup copies, free professional site transfer, tagging, and so many things. So that's the reason I recommend to all of you go for Grow Big plan, which is the best seller of this company. Just click on get plan and here you need to type your company name. Say for example, if I type www.youtube.com and I can click on proceed, so it says the domain name you have chosen is not available because it's already exit. So in this way you have to enter the name of your company and you can check the availability of the domain. So let me try with another domain, another company name, Rehan Lewis Bond. So congratulations, this domain is available for registration. Under account information, type your email, then password, enter the password, then again confirm password, and then you can type client information. So where are you from? I am from India. You can choose my first name Rehan, my last name. If you have your company name you can enter, and if you have your tax ID or VAT number or GST number you can enter, so that the VAT and tax amount will be subtracted. Optional, my city is Mumbai, street address, your zip code and your phone number, something like that if you have. Now under payment information, just write your card number. You can pay by credit card or debit card. Just fill up your card number, card holder name, the back side of the card number, code, CVV code, the data center. Just click on this and here are the data center. If I am from India, so I can choose Asia, which is the nearest data center for me. You can choose as per your country. The period, there are options 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, like that. The regular price is 19.5. So this is the total which you have to pay for 1 year, and it's quite reasonable if you compare to other companies. Just click on this and this. Finally, I would like to say, if you are buying domain hosting of your company through my link, you don't pay more, but I do get some commission which helps me to make these videos free of cost to all of you. So thank you for that. Now click on pay now. Once you make the payment, you will be set up your site. Start new website. Click on WordPress. Just enter your login mail ID and the password. Click on continue. Click on finish. Please wait. It takes less than 2 minutes to complete the website creation. Now go down, click on manage site. Now click on WordPress, then click on install and manage, and here you will see your domain name, and here you can click login to admin panel. So this is WordPress starter. Just click on exit, and here we can see WordPress dashboard. So at the dashboard of the WordPress, you can see home, updates, post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, and so many things are there from where we can use all these things to design our website. At the very first, what I want to do, I can go to plugins and then install plugins. I can click on this, and in the bulk action I can choose deactivate. I can click on apply, and then I can click on this and I can say delete, because we don't need all these things right now. And then I can go to pages, all pages, and I can click on this. In the bulk action I can say move to trash and click on apply, and after that go on settings, click on general, and here we can see this is our domain. Go to reading, that's fine. Then we have writing, and then click on permalinks, and here post, click on post and click on save changes. Here we can continue to design our website. It is going to be very easy. It's just a job of drag and drop. So go to appearance, click on themes, then click on add new, and here at the right hand side in the search box type Astra. So this is the theme which we are going to install. Just click on install and click on activate. So guys, I have already installed, so I am not going to install it again. You need to go to Astra options. Just click on that, then click on install importer plugin. Now click over here, then click on free. So there are so many websites which are ready-made. You can choose according to your business. Outdoor adventure, mountain, organic store, learn dash academy, PVQR restaurant, brand store, simply natural, life coach, yoga instructor, personal fitness trainer, dentist clinic, pet services, custom printing. I like this design, so I can click on this, and then I can click on import complete sites. Just click on import. If you are finding any difficulties while importing the site, just go back and click import complete site again. You can click on refresh. So now this is fully working site, and this is your website. What we have to do, say for example, if you want to change about us page, just click on that page and then click edit with Elementor. If you want to learn how to customize, how to make premium website from scratch, just go to YouTube and type Louis Bond. That's me. Here you will find how to make a WordPress website easy and fast, around 2.5 hours, 3 hours video, where you can learn how to customize website from scratch. Let me close this. So I want to customize about me page. So here is the free page builder called Elementor. You will find, just go there, you will find these 3 icons. Click on that. Just click over here. You will see the title over here. Just delete this, and your contact detail in the same way. You just need to click over there, and here you can make the changes, and after every changes you just need to click on update. So in the same way you can change all these images. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.